Hey everyone, quick heads up. This Binance quiz has the same 12 questions you'll get too, and all the answers in this video are 100% correct. The only thing that changes is the order of the questions, so your ranking might look different, but the questions and answers stay the same. You can also find all the answers listed in the description, so you can jump straight to the question you're looking for. Let's get started.